Your car battery gets all the blame, but many times, the real culprit is the alternator. And here's the scary part: when an alternator fails completely, your car can suddenly lose electrical power and leave you stranded. The good news? It usually gives warning signs first. Here are 10 signs of a bad alternator, and the number one sign means you shouldn't keep driving. 10. Battery warning light turns on. If the battery-shaped warning light appears on your dashboard, it often points to a charging system problem, not just a bad battery. 9. Dim or flickering headlights. If your headlights become dim or change brightness while driving, the alternator may not be supplying steady power. 8. Slow power windows or weak electronics. Power windows move slowly, the infotainment screen restarts, or accessories behave strangely because the electrical system isn't getting enough voltage. 7. Difficulty starting the car. A weak alternator can't properly recharge the battery, so after a while the battery becomes too weak to start the engine. 6. Strange whining or grinding. Noise. Worn alternator bearings or internal components can produce unusual noises that become louder as engine speed increases. 5. Burning smell. An overheating alternator or slipping drive belt can create a burning, rubber or electrical smell. This should never be ignored. 4. Battery keeps going. Dead. If you've replaced or recharged the battery but it keeps losing power, the alternator may not be charging it correctly. 3. Engine stalls while driving. A failing alternator can no longer supply enough electricity to the ignition and fuel systems, causing the engine to stall unexpectedly. 2. Multiple warning lights suddenly appear. When system voltage drops, different electronic systems can malfunction, causing several dashboard warning lights to come on at the same time. And number 1. The car suddenly loses electrical power. If the headlights become very dim, the dashboard starts shutting down, the steering becomes heavier on some vehicles, and the engine eventually stops. The alternator may have completely failed. Continuing to drive at this point can leave you stranded. A bad alternator almost always gives you clues before it fails completely. Catch these warning signs early, and you could avoid an unexpected breakdown and an expensive towing bill.